Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to Active Learners Point. This is maths class and this class is for standard 1. तो प्यारे तुलबा, ये जो मैथ्स क्लास है ये स्टैंडर्ड फर्स्ट के बच्चों के लिए है, सेमी इंग्लिश उर्दू. Are you enjoying the maths class? You are enjoying na? Very good. Let's learn maths with fun. Today's topic is above, below. Above यानी ऊपर, below यानी नीचे. Above, below, ऊपर, नीचे. तो स्टूडेंट्स आप इसे अच्छे से समझ लीजिए. तो चलिए सबसे पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते हैं, बेल आइकन को दबाते हैं, वीडियो को लाइक करते हैं और शेयर करते हैं. टू मेक दिस कंसेप्ट मोर easier to understand, we will have some pictures. Do you like pictures now? Very good. Let's learn the concept of above, below. So dear students, what is this? This is a chair. This is a chair. And which animal is this? This is a cat. This is a cat. And this is also a cat. Very good. Tell me, how many cats are there in this picture? There are 2 cats. This is 1 and this is 2. How many cats are there? There are 2 cats. This cat is above the chair. ये जो फर्स्ट वाली कैट है वो कहाँ है? चेयर के ऊपर है. तो हम कैसा कहेंगे? दिस कैट इज अबव द चेयर. और ये जो ब्लैक वाली जो कैट है वो चेयर के नीचे है. तो इसे हम कैसा कहेंगे इंग्लिश में? दिस कैट इज बिलो द चेयर. दिस कैट इज below the chair. Understood? Very good. Very nice. So dear students, see this next picture. What is this? This is a table. This is a table. And who is he? He is a boy. He is a boy. Where is the boy? The boy is above the table. The boy is above the table. And what is this? This is a dog. This is a dog. The dog is below the table. The dog is below the table. Very good. What are they doing? They are sleeping. The boy is also sleeping and the dog is also sleeping. The boy is sleeping above the table and the dog is sleeping below the table. Very good. Very nice. So dear students, see this next picture. How many kids are there? There are 2 kids. This is 1 and this is 2. How many kids are there? There are 2 kids or 2 children. Where is this boy? This boy is above the tree. This first boy is above the tree and this second boy is below the tree. Above, below. This boy is above the tree and this boy is below the tree. Very good. Understood? Dear students, look at this picture. Where is this girl? This girl is below the table. This is the table and this girl is below the table. And now, where is the girl? The girl is above the table. In this picture, this girl is below the table and in this picture, the girl is above the table. Very good. Understood? Very nice. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अबव और बिलो को अच्छे से समझने के लिए चलते हैं आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक के पेज नंबर 3 पर. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ओपन योर मैथ्स टेक्स्ट बुक एंड टेक आउट योर पेज नंबर 3. Are you ready? Let's start. What is this? This is a table. This is a table. And what is this? This is a book. Where is the book? The book is above the table. The book is above the table. And what is this? This is a ball. Where is the ball? The ball is below the table. The ball is below the table. Understood? Very good. Very nice. Look at this picture. In this picture, we have to circle the monkey sitting below the tree. हमें उस मंकी को सर्कल करना है जो ट्री के नीचे बैठा हुआ है, जो ट्री के बिलो में बैठा हुआ है. So, which monkey is sitting below the tree? This monkey is sitting below the tree. We will circle to this monkey. You also do, or you also circle in your textbook. Understood? Very good. See this picture. What is this? This is a train. This is a train. And what is this? This is a bridge. And what is this? This is a scooter. Man is riding a scooter. What we have to do? We have to circle the vehicle above the bridge. Which vehicle is above the bridge? Scooter or train? This train is above the bridge. We will circle to this train. Very good. You also circle in your textbook with me. Very good. Very nice.
So dear students, look at this picture.
Let's see this picture.
What is this? Table.
What is this?
And what
This
is
is
this?
a lamp.
Cup.
This is a lamp.
And this is a picture
And
of
this is the picture of
lamp.
cup. And this is a
Where is the lamp?
table.
Above the
We have
table.
to circle the object below
Where
the
is
lamp.
the lamp? Above
What is
the
below the lamp?
table. Where are the cup
The cup
and
is below
table?
the lamp.